ठीक है। It has a data source attribute. where are you using the object of this customer bean? Where? Okay. Okay. Mhm. 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 Okay, so this object is being stored. Okay, and to call that insert function, you want to use the object of the implementation class. So you made two took it from the bean and the reference you have given of the interface. Have you run the code? Mm-hmm. Okay, you are now running the code. Run from the main always. Okay. Go to a main method. Hmm. Nice. Very good. So you are doing your own research and understanding how beans can be used in your application. So you want whenever you want anything, you just ask the from the bean, get bean from the. Okay. Now can you try using the same and use auto wire? Can you now make a clone of this project and see if you can do this all with Java based configuration? You have used which configuration? XML based configuration. Now do the entire stuff using, yeah. So the .xml file should make way for the config.java file, and then all your beans should be made over there. So if you can just give, yeah. So if you can just give that XML file code to ChatGPT and say convert it to Java config file, see what it shows. Try doing it. Yeah. So share your screen. Now let's try to convert this into pure Java based configuration. First show me how you have got the names of those classes. Yeah. Go to the config file. Yes. How did you get this line number 12? Mm-hmm. 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 So go to the app dot, go to the XML file and check which file. So here you will search for driver manager's data source. So you will search for driver manager data source, this class. Okay. And for the JDBC template also you will search and it will give you, right? So search and show both of them. Well, driver manager. Okay. So there's only one class and search show a Jdbc template. So, okay, open this then. Okay, open this and then how you get the fully qualified name? Copy the path and then dot the class name. And okay, class you have got, package you have got, class name you already have. Okay, search for same for Jdbc template. There might be many files with there might be multiple classes with Jdbc template. So how will you get your one? There's only one. There's only one class. There is no conflicting. Like how we have multiple classes with the same name and different packages. There's only one. Oh, so from here you just get the name. Perfect. Stop. Now try to convert this into the say convert your Excel file into now Java based configuration and see what it shows up. Configuration class. So see what it has done. It has made an app config. Name is data source. In that it is creating a driver manager.get. Okay, and returning it. The name is Jdbc template. It is making an object on Jdbc template, passing the data source as a parameter. Okay, sir. What reference you would pass? It is passing as a parameter. Then you made a get DAO implementation. Made an object of that. Okay. If you want, you can change the reference and keep it of the interface. And to that, it is passing. Now that DAO has a Jdbc template as a attribute, right? It is setting that and returning that object, and the customer is there. Okay. Now copy this and paste it in your config file, config package. Do you have any config package? App config you have, no? Next one. Below that. You have package app config. You already have a package, no? First make a package, no? Go to the app config package. Above auto wire. This is different. Okay. So you're putting the different position to one only. Make a package first, no? You never put a capital. You're making a package. Package is always small. This is a class name which you will make. You will make the package as config only. You already have a package by the name of app config. App config and right click, make a new class, app configuration, whatever. And now paste that content. What is the class name that Jdbc give you? You have kept the safe name. Huh? App config. I can copy that code and paste it over here. And just put that, change the package name. Change the package name. Config, no type config. It is there. It is configure pad. It is, I guess, is a part of the direct is outside. Direct is config. Yeah. And now if you want to read from this file and annotate with, okay, just for the annotation, is it add configuration is there? Yeah, it is there. Now to read data from this, you will require a separate contain the IoT container. No, not annotation. We need a separate IoT container, no, to read from the. So which was that? When we were doing pure Java-based configuration, what was the IoT container? One second, let me show you. ITP batch 2 first string for. This is annotation configuration application. annotation context bean factor. New annotation config application context. Annotation new capital class config application, yeah, this one. And then now give the name of the configuration file. App config.class. No, 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 not in double quotes. Not in double quotes. Without double quotes. Give a space bar, control space bar, app config, which one? Below one, right? Dot class. And comment out the line 16. Duplicate of this have been made by the same name. Save it. Yeah. Now when you say, yeah, now go and try to change the parameter of that customer. Just these names are correct, right? Now go and change the customer so that there is no duplicate primary key. 15 Nilesh. ठीक है, आके कुछ भी दो. ADB. ठीक है, सेव. ठीक है. अभी जाके put the driver app. Run from the driver app always. Don't run from here and there. On according to it. Run cross check. कौन सा easy है? अब Java based easy है कि Excel based easy लगा? So there is always room for improvement. That is, always you can climb the ladder higher and higher and higher. हाँ, और वो पैरामीटर पास कर दिया तो रेफ का लफड़ा नहीं देता. JDBC टेम्पलेट को उसका पैरामीटर चाहिए तो वो पास कर दिया. जैसे हम जावा कोड लिखते हैं बस वही स्टाइल. है ना? हमने रिकॉर्ड भी कर लिया.